Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to remove the beep sound on the CF Moto and Segway. This might work on any other ATV. You know which sound I'm talking about. This super annoying one. The moment you're going to release the parking brake. Oh my god, it's so loud. Let's have a look at these two ATVs. Again, CF Moto 520L, Segway 500L. I think it'd be that simple. So let's remove the seat first. And of course it has a sensor on the seat. It's all in there, we cannot take it out. And you think by simply removing this, disconnecting it, that's going to help you get rid of the sound. Let's see if that's going to do it or not. Of course not. Okay, so it's not enough to disconnect this wire. It's still going to make that sound. I'm going to show you what you have to do. Now this might going to work with any ATV. Just take a little wire like this and try to create a bridge between the two. See if I can insert it first like this, and then I'll see if that's still gonna do that sound. There you go guys, it's that simple. Just get a wire and connect these two ends. My recommendation is to do it this way if your vehicle is still under warranty. Otherwise, just cut the wires and solder them together. Let's see now. There you go. Look what's going to happen the moment I'm going to pull this out. Watch. Here. That's it. That's the solution. Any ATVs. Segway. Oh, this is nicer actually. Look at this plug. So much nicer than the other one. You have to find a way. Either remove the insulation and connect these wires together, or try to get in there somehow. But look at the difference between a Segway connector, see, all insulated, and this is a CF Moto connector. You know what I use this for? For toy cars. This is a plug for the toy car, you know, the RC cars. See, you can see the end of the connector, the wires.